What's going on? Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the rust from the set screws on your brake levers. These usually get rusty because the body of the brake lever is aluminum and this is steel. So with the dissimilar metals, the set screws usually rust faster. And I call them set screws. I'm not really sure what they're supposed to be called. Please comment in the comment section below what these are named. So this is a 2mm set screw. So just put your Allen wrench in there and then loosen it. Probably be kind of difficult because it is rusty. If it's really rusty, use some penetrating oil like PB Blaster. Alright, so we got the drive side set screw out, or the right brake lever set screw out. So then just gotta do the left one for the front brake. Just go counterclockwise. Okay, this one came out a lot easier. So we got that one out. And since we have both of them out, what we're gonna wanna do is soak them in Evapo-Rust. So you can get like a pretty small container for a decent price at your local Harbor Freight or AutoZone. I like to keep my used stuff in this Folgers container because it's got a lid I can put back on. So we're just going to toss the set screws in, and then within 24 hours they will be rust free. Alright, so I forgot about all my parts soaking in the Evapo-Rust, and it's been about 3 days. Let's see what we got going on in here. Yeah, everything looks rust free to me. So to get the parts out, I put the strainer on the spare coffee container, and then I just dump the Evapo-Rust and all the parts into the strainer. Like so. And then, as you can see, all the parts are rust free. I'm really excited about these brake noodles being rust free because they were real rusty if you look back in the video. So what we got to do now is rinse them off with warm water, and then we're going to spray them with this Evapo-Rust rust block, water-based rust inhibitor. So this will prevent it from rusting in the future. And they said for like about a year, and it's oil free, which is cool. It's environmentally friendly and all of that stuff, non-corrosive, easy to use. So pick this stuff up if you want your parts to stay rust free. And I'm gonna go rinse this off in warm water quick. We'll be back. Alright, so we're at the bathroom sink. I'm just gonna rinse it all off with warm water. All the Evapo-Rust out. Alright, so now that all the parts are rinsed off, we can just dry them. Okay, so they're dried off, and put them in this little stainless steel bowl. And then we're going to hit it with the rust block. Shake it up. And then spray the parts. Making sure you get it in all the nooks and crannies. Sweet. So now your parts are rust free and you can get them back on the bike. Got the reach adjustment screws completely rust free with the Evapo-Rust, as you can see. And then I'm going to put a little bit of marine grease on them so that they don't get stuck in the aluminum, because these are steel and the bodies of the brake levers are aluminum, and like with dissimilar metals, that's why they rust so easily, and I don't want them getting stuck in there. So got some Mystic marine grease. Slap that on the threads. So slap that on the threads just like so, and then you can screw them into the brake. Got the right side screwed in. And now let's do the left side. And that's how you get the rust off your reach adjustment screws, and I hope this helped.